this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a USB with a OTG drive on your Android phone so you can transfer files. Now this USB drive actually has a back end that has a USB-C, so I can just plug it right in the bottom here. So if you can find one of these are really great and convenient. Now I do have an OTG adapter. This is USB to USB-C, so I can just plug in a USB device like this and then plug into my phone. Now you have to locate files or my files on your phone, so we can just swipe up, type in search for files. So you probably just have files. If you're on Samsung, it will be my files. So it will look like this. Go to files, then you can go on down. Here's the SD card, and here's my USB storage. I can go in here. Now I want to transfer files to it. So it could be something in your downloads, your videos, your documents, or something like that. And you can just click it and go to copy. So let's go to video, for example. Here's some videos, so I can just hold down on the video, go to copy, and it will give me the option, go to my USB drive. You can choose a location, a folder, or something like that, and go to copy here. And then we just copied this file over to our USB drive using an OTG adapter. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.